How to allow access to your Android with AnyDesk. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm Emily and I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. So first I will launch the AnyDesk application on your device, and here you'll be able to see your address over here. Now you can just tap on the share icon over here and then copy the address over here and share this remote desk to anyone that you'd want to give that access. Now if I tap on the Telegram and share it with one of the person over here in Telegram application on my device, you can just select it and send it. And if that person just gives you or a request for access on your Android with AnyDesk, then you'll be receiving the notification or the pop-up that the certain person is asking for an access. So you just have to allow that access and they'll be able to manage your Android and with AnyDesk. So thank you so much for watching this video. See you next time.